In this video, you're gonna learn how to code in Sanskrit. Let's see how it works. At first, we need to open VS Code. Then after, we need to create a new file. I'll name it hello.vedic, but you can choose any name you want. Just like in Python, we write print hello world, and in JavaScript, we use console.log. And here we use a special Sanskrit word called vad, which means speak in Sanskrit. So we write vad namaste. The semicolon at the end is important to run the file. And to run the file, you need to simply type Vedic hello.vedic, and boom, it prints namaste on the screen. I have put the documentation link in the description. If you are a Linux or Mac user, you can download it from there and set up the environment variables. I am a Windows user, so let me explain the Windows step. After you download and install it, you will see a folder called Vedic inside program files. Go into the Win folder and copy the path. Then open environment variables. Create a new path and paste it there. I have already added mine. You can see Vedic /bin in my path list. That's it for today's Sanskrit coding video. It's not a real programming language, just something fun someone created to play with. But it's super cool and I thought I should share it with you all. For more fun stuff like this, follow our channel, also have our channel Sprightly Science.